I used to do this for a VIP guests in exclusive private entrance, so I have to offer them something unique. I try them all, but what colors do, it's different, something different. It's not like the others. I can explain or I can find the proper words, but I feel high connection with him. I feel a relief. Frankly, I have to tell you that I know most of the healing Reiki practitioners that exist in the market, and I know the most famous, prominent ones. I tried their Reiki sessions. I tried them all. I was searching who is the best that can fit the event of the solar alignment in the Egyptian temples. Such magical event should have a super powerful healer. I have been doing this for more than 2 years. I was looking for the best one of them that suits joining our solar alignment, supernatural event at the Egyptian temples, and doing our Hedy Reiki sessions at the Great Pyramid. So I tried them all, but what Carlos offers, it's different. That's why he is the best that can transmit the positive power of the gods, the ancient Egyptian gods, and the power of the temples at the solar alignment time to the attending ones around. I believe he will be the best that can do this, and I am sure that it will be the experience of the lifetime. Truly, it will be amazing. I'm very excited.
I am inviting all of you to take advantage of this special tour that besides the powerful solar alignment, you're going to have these group healing sessions. I'm going to be offering also individual and couples healing session at your request. I hope to see some of you and read all the information on my webpage on the link below or somewhere here.